Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all, we got another exciting video. I am so happy to be doing this collab with my group that I'm in called Beauty Over 40. And this month we have something a little special going on because we're wearing blue for a special reason. And if you want to know why we're wearing blue, you know what you need to do, right? Keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need...
Okay, y'all, we about to get back into this video again, take two, because your girl thought she was filming and she was not. So I'm gonna bring y'all in a little bit closer and show you what I've done thus far, and we'll talk about the reason for this video. So hold on, let me bring you in. Okay, y'all, so I brought y'all in a little closer. Now, the reason for this video is, first of all, I want to say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lavinia, Beauty Over 40. Girl turning 48, looking good. Hey, happy birthday to you. Y'all, my girl's birthday month. And you guys know we do these collabs every single month with the Beauty Over 40 group, and she is the founder of this group. And it's her birthday month, and she wanted to do a blue eyeshadow look. So guys, that is what we're doing. Now, I've already gotten started because your girl thought she was filming and she wasn't filming. So here we are. I went in and primed my eyes with my Hourglass, and I went in, I'm using the Oceanic palette from Ebates. And in case you're not familiar as to what it looks like, this is what the palette looks like. Very beautiful palette, y'all. Very beautiful palette, you guys. And I went in with, what is this color called? I don't have my blue clam. I don't have my glasses on, but I went in with this color right here as my transition color. So this is the color we're going to be using, or what I've already used. I have it in my transition area, and y'all, it's a gorgeous color. Now, like I was saying earlier, if you guys are not familiar with Beauty Over 40, you definitely need to check her out. Check out her channel, because y'all, she does some beautiful eye looks. I mean, very like, y'all, her eye looks be off the chain. I'm gonna just tell you, if you are a person that loves eyeshadow, makeup, that's your girl. If you love natural hair, this is your girl. If you love nails, this is your girl. She's also a TikTok famous. Yes, she is. Done been viral. You gotta definitely check out her TikToks because they are amazing. She is a super, super sweet lady, y'all. I mean, I've never personally met her, but y'all, she is so sweet, so sweet. I really am glad that I have the opportunity to get to know her. And I really enjoy her videos. And she's so down to earth, you know what I mean? That's another thing I like about her. Okay, y'all, so this is what the my transition is gonna look like. And then I'm gonna go in with Lagoon, which is this color down here. And we're gonna put that in the outer V. So I'm gonna get my mini booster. Y'all, this is gonna be a super quick look. Super quick. So yeah. And she's also, oh y'all, she's also a licensed cosmetologist and a professional makeup artist. So the girl knows her stuff. When I say she knows her stuff, she knows her stuff. And y'all, she works at Macy's, so at the Estee Lauder counter. So if you have any Estee Lauder needs, you can definitely check her out. I'm almost positive she has all that information in her YouTube, or if you go to her YouTube site. Oh, and another thing, she opened up her own online boutique. I'm gonna have all that information will be in the description bar. So you definitely go check that out also, because you know about hashtag support a sister. You know that. So yeah, I'm just blending this on the outer V of my eye. Because I'm going to work, so it's not going to be a super dramatic eye. But I wanted to honor the color of blue that she wanted to use. So I'm just want to deepen this outer V up with this color. And when I tell y'all this is going to be a super fast look, super fast look. Because y'all know I do really simple looks. Now, she, on the other hand, Beauty Over 40, she don't do super looks. I mean, she can do super looks, but when I tell y'all her looks, woo, be amazing. They are amazing. She can do some very dramatic looks. And you just be like, wow, that's so gorgeous. That's so pretty. She be hooking it up. I'm going to go back in with the transition color just to clean this edge up a little bit. And I think I picked the wrong color. Did I pick the right color? Oh, my brush not clean. So y'all, that's all I'm doing is blowing that out. Because it's going to be kind of like a smoky type look. Is what I'm kind of going for. Something very simple. But, you know, I can still rock it to work, you know. Now, I think for my lid color, I'm going to go with this color called Bay. That's the color I'm going to put on the lid. And I'm going to use my my Sonia G Builder 3 brush. This is the brush I'm going to use to pack that on. Right on the lid. Oh, that's so pretty. And I really do feel like this is going to be a work appropriate look, you know. Because it's blue, but it's not like, you know, all in your face. Very nice and light. So if you're looking for a way to wear blue on a daily basis, I feel like this look would be something that you could truly wear every, you know, on a date in the daytime. And not look like you're doing the most. Even though it still has that smokiness of it, I feel like it's still going to be daytime wearable. And as y'all can see, this is not taking me that long to do. Like, it's not a process that's going to take a whole lot of time. And because it's daytime wearable, normally I always go back in, which I will, but I'm just going to go back in with whatever's on my brush. Like, I always go back in and add more of the darker shade in, but I'm just going to use whatever's on the brush just to make sure I have a nice transition between the two colors. But I don't want to add a whole bunch more smoke to it because it is daytime. It ain't daytime for me, but it's work. You know, y'all know I work at night, but I'm talking about for y'all that work regular shifts. I feel like you can definitely easily get away with this look. What do y'all think? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a clean brush and just kind of clean up around the edges some. Just clean this up. That's all I'm doing, y'all. Very simple. But yes, I need for y'all to go check out Beauty Over 40's channel. And when you guys get there, make sure y'all give her some blue hearts. Let her know that your girl Lori sent you. And I promise you, you're going to love her channel. And she has such a cute little sense of humor. I mean, she is super amazing. Like, super amazing. See how I cleaned that up? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this lighter shade for my brow bone. What color? What shade is this? I can't see, y'all. I don't got my glasses. Y'all know how we do. That's the shade. One day I'm going to come on here with my glasses and be prepared. But not today. Oh, child. And she's also very consistent on social media. And make sure you guys are following her on Instagram too, because she's always on Instagram. And if you like the outfit of the day type of videos or even posts, she posts a lot of her outfits and stuff on the gram, on Instagram as well. So that'd be another reason to follow her on Instagram. Y'all see how quick this eye look came out? I mean, super, super duper quick. And so I just added that little bit of a lighter color just to give the brow bone a little something. Now you guys know I gotta go clean up. I'm gonna clean up this look and then we'll come back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I cleaned up under my eyes, put on some mascara. I've been using the NARS Extreme Climax as my mascara. And for my waterline, I'm gonna go in with a Urban Decay Chaos liner. It's a beautiful blue. I just want to add a little bit of pop, just a little bit. We're not going for too much, but we're just going to add that in. Okay, y'all, there go just a little pop, just a little something. And this is a good color because as you can see, it's bright, but it's not like in your face, like neon type of color. And then I'm gonna go back in with the Lagoon color, which is this darkest shade. This shade right here. And I'm just gonna put this in the lower lash line. And I only brought it like halfway in. And I like using my eyeshadow too, because it kind of helps set that eyeliner and to keep that eyeliner from moving all over the place. All right, y'all, I think this is a simple, easy, everyday, wearable blue look. So if you thought you couldn't wear blue on a daily basis in the daytime, I feel like this is definitely a nice blue look. Now you can, you know, make it a little bit, give it a little bit more punch if you want to use it for at night, but as far as just going to work, I feel like this is very appropriate. Okay, y'all, so what I want y'all to make sure you do is check my girl out. Her information will be in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, easy, you seen how quick it was. Simple, easy, everyday, daytime, not everyday, but daytime wearable blue look. I feel like this is definitely daytime wearable. And you know to have, they say sometimes, we can't wear blue. You can wear whatever color you want to wear. And I feel like this looks absolutely gorgeous. So guys, all the beautiful ladies that are in this collab, I will leave all of their information in the description box. So I need for you to go in the description box after you watch this video and go check out what kind of blue look that they did. And make sure you guys wish my girl a happy birthday. And girl, happy birthday, Lavinia. Love you, sis. All right, so make sure you're following me on Instagram at It's Lori's Life. And yeah, that's it. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, you know what you need to do, right? Hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life, yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life, yeah, it's Lori's Life.